Wrong goodbye. Gerard Piqué will not get his dream send-off at Barcelona, as a red card means he will miss his last match for the club. A legend of the game and especially at Camp Nou, he perhaps deserved a better goodbye. But he's not alone. Take a look at other players who had bitter ends to their careers. Paolo Maldini, a sad end at international and club level. His final Italy match saw elimination from the 2002 World Cup, virtue of South Korea's golden goal. His 24-year Milan career ended with boos from the home support in 2009, reportedly due to comments made following the Champions League final defeat 4 years previous. Vincent Kompany, following the announcement that Manchester City's iconic captain would leave in 2019, the club organized a testimonial, which the Belgian missed through injury. Steven Gerrard, a legend at Liverpool, but his final match for the club was a humiliating 6-1 defeat to Stoke. He did score his side's only goal, at least. Javi Zanetti joined Inter in 1995, but the captain of treble-winning side in 2010 did not even start his final match for the club 4 years on. He was introduced as a substitute, rather than replaced as is tradition for retiring legends, much to the ire of the Nerazzurri faithful. Zinedine Zidane, sent off for a headbutt in a World Cup final. His last match as a professional footballer. Named player of the tournament, without him France were eventually beaten by Italy on penalties.